If your makeup generally tends to look dull and you're in the need of boost of glow and brightness, try making your own brightening primer by using a shimmery blush and a moisturizer. Mix these together and you'll notice the shimmery blush cancels out the grey and brown tones in your skin's pigmentation and also adds an illuminated look. The biggest mistake that you can make is to set your makeup with a powder that is too light for you. This leads to dull and grey makeup. The easiest way to fix your white or light powder is to add a bit of turmeric to this and make it warm. Now you can set your makeup and brighten it at the same time. Using a color corrector will completely change your makeup, and the best part, you have one already in your bag right now. Just grab any warm toned lipstick and apply some under your eyes, around the mouth and anywhere else you have pigmentation. Follow this up with foundation and concealer for a completely flawless base. If you have trouble finding the perfect foundation online, then you should try this method. Buy two of the same foundation, one in a lighter and one in a darker shade, so you can mix and match and create your perfect foundation shade every time. We recommend picking an affordable foundation that comes in a large shade range. If you're ever stuck with a foundation that is too light for your skin, don't toss it out. Just grab a bit of cocoa powder and darken the shade of your foundation. Now to fix the undertone, add a bit of turmeric powder for warm skin tone and add a bit of blush for cool skin tones. Now you can make your own custom foundation. Battle every foundation concern that people with chocolate skin know all too well with these amazing makeup hacks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.